Outside of this one church town, there's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country.
Hi, Mommy.
What are we doing today? We're going fishing, ain't we?
I go fishing every day. Hey, look.
Yeah, it's alright. They ain't gonna get wet.
And I got one. It's a worm.
Good calf.
Look. And I got one, Daddy.
I got one.
You got a big one? Daddy. I got to take it. I got to take it.
Hey, Birdie.
See, Daddy, he sounds like a poops.
Yeah. You got a belly. Alright, we're dropping anchor right here. Easy on him now.
Fishy, fishy, come here, boy. Fishy. Fish, come here.
You destroyed that thing. Ha ha ha.
Dylan, check this out, Dylan. That cool, Dylan? You take a book. Come on, Fishy, Fishy. Come on, Fishy. Let's go, Garia.
He ain't coming down or nothing, is he? Huh?
Okay.
Emma's done? Huh? Is Emma done?
No, I'm done.
I'm done too?
And Fishy's done too.
Yep. Fishy's done too, so we're gonna have to say bye to Fishy.
Bye, Fishy.
Now come here. Stand up. You good? Stand up.
In God's country.